Hey everyone, it's Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have something special. I have the May subscription box for Not Too Shabby. I have never gotten one of their subscription boxes before. I've sort of seen them on social media and they look awesome. Jamie sent this to me, and the only thing I know about this box is that the theme is sort of like me time, self-care, lazy days. And so we're going to be opening it together. You know how excited I get about fun boxes. Okay, so this is how it came to me. The only thing I did was just cut it open, and it's all packaged super cute. I'm going to have all the information about the kit linked down below. Like, I'll have a link to the kit, how much it costs, things like that. So if you have any of those questions, we can answer that down below. We'll just open that up, and oh my goodness, there is so much in here. Okay, so looks like it comes in a little pouch. So I'm going to set this off to the side, and we're going to pull pieces out as we look at them. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Ooh, it's cute. Okay, and I can already tell you I love the color palette. So let's open it up. And pull, oh my gosh, there's a lot in here. Lots. All right, so let's start with this. This is cute. We've got our organic pop. This one is perfectly peach. It's Yum Earth. A little sucker. That's fun. And what else is on here? A little thank you from Not Too. Oh, it's a sticker. Oh, cute. And then the nottoshabbyshop.com, and then all about it. We hope you enjoy your goodies. We would love to see what you create. Follow us and tag us on Instagram. And there you have it. So that's fun. And it looks like we have a little embellishment pack in here, some sequins, and these are different sizes, and they're very flat. I love that. This is the Sweet Summer Collection number 4. There's a lot in there, really. You could make a very nice shaker with that, maybe 2. But I like that there's a big size and a smaller size. That's fun. And the colors are like a turquoise. We've got like almost like a lime green, a light pink, a brown, and maybe a coral. So our salmon color. Very fun. Love it. All right. Oh goodness, there are 3 stamp sets in here. I cannot believe that. 3 stamp sets. So let's start with this one. This one is called I Heart Coffee, and I do heart coffee and tea, mostly tea. But I think what I like about this is that you could use these as tea as well. I mean, obviously that's coffee beans, but we've got a coffee cup, another coffee cup with some whipped cream. We've got a croissant. We've got another coffee cup, a donut, a bag of coffee beans, a spoon. This says, coffee and friends make the perfect blend. You mocha me happy. Look, there's a little face. You could add this face to a couple of the coffee mugs. That's cute. You have my heart, and let's do coffee. So that is a 4x6 stamp set. Very nice. Then we have another one. Ooh, this one's more like solid. Take up a good chunk of the card type sentiment ones. This one's called Drink the Coffee. So drink the coffee, do the crafts. Make your coffee kick in before reality does. Oh, there you go. Powered by Pixie Dust and Coffee. There you go. Mom Fuel. All I need is coffee and scissors. Lashes long and coffee strong. That's really cute. Those are cute sentiments. Another 4x6 set. And then we have another set. This one's like a 4x4 set. And this one's called Yum Yum. And it has like a little hamster or a mouse, or however you want to color him. He's cute. I'm on the coffee diet. Yum, y'all. We go together like coffee and donuts. Have the best day. Sweet. And then we have like a muffin, a donut with a bite out of it. We have a bow, so it could go like up here in his or her hair, or down here like a bow tie. Then we also have a little coffee mug, and then we have a bubble tea, or boba tea as some people call it. You can put those in his hands. How cute. That is cute. So 3 stamp sets. That's wonderful. So you have a lot of options, a lot of great mix and match. I really like that. All right, And then to go along with that, we have a couple packs of ephemera. Boy, that's cool. Does this one have a name? These ones don't have names on them. Ephemera die cut pieces. So let's pull these out and take a look at all of them. Ooh. Oh, this is cool. You got some repeats, and they're really nice quality. Those are very nice quality. I love that. Then we've got like some little chunks. I don't know what those are exactly. We've got, that's cute. Lots of little cupcakes, cup of coffee, donut. That's a cute little donut. I don't think those pieces are supposed to be there. Those might be like die cut out. Oh, yep, those come from the centers. Those come from the centers of our little donuts. Yep, see? So that's cool. Oh, you got like a little panda one, a couple of panda ones. Look at all the coffee choices. Oh my goodness. These ephemera packs. Ooh. I like it a lot. All right, look at that. Oh my gosh, and it just keeps going. Look at the bubble tea. Oh, he's cute. It looks like he's got cute hair, even though it's, you know, the whipped cream. I love it. Okay, another little bear. Oh, a couple of kitty donuts. I'm a fan. So it looks like you get 2 pieces, oh, 3 pieces of that one, but at least 2 of everything in this pack. And these were just the little die cut centers from the donuts. But look at that. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 4, 27, 30, 33 pieces in this one that I've counted, unless I counted wrong. But I love these. These are great because they're already cut and colored for you. If you need to make quick cards, ephemera is a fun way to do that. And then you can pair it up with the stamp sets, make your own sentiments really nicely. So this is fun. And obviously it looks like so far everything matches really well. And these are quite whimsical. I really like that. That's my style most days. So that is cute and fun. And then we have another ephemera pack. This one doesn't have a name either, but let's pull these pieces out and see what this one comes with. These look more, a little bit more realistic, where the other ones are a little bit more cartoon. So let's take a look. What we have here, Coffee and Friends, the perfect blend. That one says the same thing. We have Love. It's like coffee and macaroons. These are a little bit different. They're coffee and macaroons. Okay. And it's looking about like you get 2 of each one of these as well. So that's really nice. You have lots, and 3 in some instances. Lots of options. Yeah, this one has a lot as well. Wow. Good days start with coffee. Just some little macaroons here. So 2 to 3 each, looks like. Nice. Check that out. Lots here. Love it. All right. Okay, so those are really cute. And those will pair up nicely with our stamped images as well. But this is great. So many card possibilities. All right. I'll put these back so that I don't lose any pieces. And then we'll move on to patterned paper. Oh, I love this. Okay, so I should have said, it looks like we've got this pattern paper, this Coffee and Friends, goes very nicely with this pack of ephemera. And this one, Coffee and Treats, goes really nicely with this pack of ephemera. Not that you couldn't mix and match, but yeah. I can already tell you this one I'm going to be using the stew out of. I like that a lot. So let's go ahead and take a look at this pattern paper pack. And it's a 6x6, 24 double-sided sheets, 2 of each design. Nice. Nice, nice. Okay. So there's our cover sheet, but we've got, let me move this one as well. Very nice. Nice color palette, like the turquoise mauve coffee color. Ooh, polka dots are always a win. Love it. Love it, love it. Stripes. Ooh, coffee beans. Nice. Oh, and then different colors of some brown. More coffee beans. Like that. Love it. This is a great pattern paper pack. And that is great that it matches so nicely with the one Ephemera Pack. Okay, let me take a look at the other one. Yeah, I can already tell you, I think I like this one a little better. I like them both, but this one's right up my alley. Okay, so coffee and treats, and I love that pattern paper. I love the color combo too with the pink and the, ooh, and it's like glittery gold. I like that. That's pretty. So 4 of each design on this one. This one says 2 of each design, so we're gonna get 4 of each design here. So it'll be like, I'll just do it like this. You get 4 of each sheet of paper. So 2 of that, or 4 of, you get it. You get what I'm saying. I like this. This is super fun. Ooh, that one's fun too. Yeah, there isn't one in here I don't like. Oh, nice. And it says tea. Yay. Oh, I love it. That is great. So 24 double-sided sheets, 4 of each of these designs. And these are fabulous. Big fan. Love them, love them. All right, and that's what you get in this kit. So, like I said, I'm going to have the price linked down below, or listed down below. Definitely the link to this. So you get 2 giant paper pads, you get 2 ephemera packs, and you get 3 stamp sets in this kit. I'm not sure if this is what you get every month, like, you know, 3 stamp sets, 2 ephemera packs, and 2 paper pads, or how that works. But this is great. Like I said, I'll have the subscription page linked down below, so you can go check that out, see what that entails, if that's something you're interested in. But I'm gonna make some cards with this, so if you are not a subscriber, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can come back and see what I made. If you liked this video, hit the like button as well. And thanks guys, I'll see you very soon. Bye.